To begin, section your hair in the hot cross bun or the quadrant technique. For the base section, Christi wants to create a flicked effect, therefore her round brush is facing upwards with the hair wrapped underneath. For the next sections, Christi's going to be wrapping the hair in a sausage blow dry technique. This means the hair is wrapped with tension around the round brush to create a really tight sausage curl. Continue this technique on the sides and all the way up. When working on the top of the head, we angle the hair backwards to create additional volume and movement throughout the hair. Once your blow dry is complete, use the air from the hairdryer to move that hair round to create additional movement. To add definition and texture through the blow dry, we're adding some clay wax. Use a back comb to tease the hair into position for where you want it to sit. Don't forget to spritz with a little bit of hairspray to finish. Thank Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to tag us in all your work on Instagram using the hashtag JetVirtual.